Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you the restoration experience of 3 popular crypto wallets. Let's do it. Okay, so we have here 3 very popular hardware wallets, starting with the most popular of them all. This is the Ledger Nano X, bestseller, one of the original creator of the hardware wallet along with Treasure. So this is a very popular device, and odds are if you any discussion of hardware wallet, you'll probably heard of this device right here. And here we have another hardware wallet. This is by Ellipal, and this hardware wallet is significantly bigger than the Ledger. It has a nice screen. And lastly, we have here the newest kid on the block. This is the Keystone Model 1 hardware wallet, and yeah, they all do the same thing. They basically they securely store your cryptocurrency offline and keep it safe and secure. One thing that hardly anyone takes into consideration when buying a hardware wallet is restoring the wallet. Like, if something happens to these wallets, you need to restore it, and every hardware wallet allows you to restore a wallet, but the experience of restoring it is vastly different from one wallet to the next wallet. So I'm going to show you basically the process you have to do to restore each wallet. The first process in restoring a hardware wallet is you will need your backup C's, your backup C word. So these are the C words for a wallet that I created. It's just a test wallet. There's no money in it, so I don't mind showing you the C words. You can take it down and you can restore the wallet yourself, and you'll see there's no money in there, so don't bother. So anyway, during the setup process, when you first set up your hardware wallet, like this ledger here, it will give you a list of 24 C words for you to write down, and should something ever happen to your ledger, you can use this C word to restore it. So let's go about restoring it. So let's assume that your ledger died, it broke down, it got lost or stolen or whatever, and you need to replace it. So the first thing you do is you order a new wallet, and then we're going to use these words here, and we're going to restore the wallet. So the ledger, first thing we do is turn it on. Oops, upside down here, okay. And the first thing I noticed about the ledger is that the screen is very tiny, and I can tell you right now, this is going to be a tedious process. So welcome to Ledger. Next, download the Ledger Live app, press left and right. So it's basically telling you how to use it. And then when you finally get to the end, it says set up a new device. We don't want to do that. We want to restore device. So restore from recovery phrase. So that's what we're going to do. So we double the 2 buttons, we double click, and then we have to choose a pin. Okay, so we're going to create a pin for this wallet. So double click, we'll just use a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, double click, 2, double click, 3, double click, 4, and yeah, that's enough. Okay, now it's asking me to confirm the pin, so double click, 2, 3, confirm. Okay, now it says enter your recovery phrase, and what you do is you got to enter all these words, and you got 2 buttons to do it in. So select 24 words. All right, I want the 24 word C, so double click. Asking you to enter the first letter, and here's an A. So using these 2 buttons, we're basically going from the letter. You just go to the letter you need. That's going the wrong way here. So A, B, C, D, E, F. The first word is need. So I go to N. Double click N. The next letter is E. All right. I can help my trouble seeing this N, E. E, E. Select word number 1 is near. No, it's not. I made a mistake, so now I gotta clear the word. Gotta do it again. Nice. Yeah, so you can see that This can be a very frustrating process because A, you only have the two buttons to navigate and the screen is very, very small. So let's try entering again. Where's the N? N, E, E. First word, all right, need. All right, there you go. Then you hit the double click. Now it's entering word number 2. B, brush. So we gotta find the B. B, R. And it's a good thing you only need to enter the first letter, then it automatically fills in the rest because, yeah, you can, this is S, brush. First 3 letters, figured out brush. So that helps you a little bit. Then next word, and then next word is spell. So you get the idea. It's a slow, cumbersome process to restore the wallet. You gotta go. You just saw it took me almost a minute to do each word. So you can imagine this is probably gonna be like a half-hour affair. So that's the ledger. I won't bother to continue with the setup process because I don't think you'll stick around long enough for me to actually finish it. So let's just go to this one here. And this here is the Ellipal, hardware wallet. And I do like this wallet because it's made of metal. So it's really nice and sturdy and strong. And it's totally air gapped. So let's see the process of this one. First thing you do is turn it on. Pushing the button on the side here. And the nice thing about the Ellipal is that it has a nice 4-inch screen, so it makes inputting the C words a lot easier, much easier. There you go. So it fires up now. You have a choice: create a new account, recover from Mnemonic, or import account. So that's what we want. We want to recover from Mnemonic. And the cool thing is it's a touch sensitive, no buttons or whatever. So every touch you enter the C words on this list. So we tap that, and look at that. You have a little, not showing very well in the video, but you have a keypad. So you just type it. in, E, then hit a space. Next one, brush, B-R-U-S-H, space, spell, S-P. S-P-E-L-L. So as you can see, I just already entered the first 3 words and it took me like less than 30 seconds, compared to this ledger here. Yeah, so much better user experience when restoring the C word. When you have a keypad, a big screen, easy to see, easy to use. So much better, much faster restoration experience. Thumbs up. Okay, lastly we have the newest kid on the block. This is the Keevo Model 1. And what makes the Keevo unique is that it doesn't need C words. It's a seedless recovery. See, during the setup process, instead of giving you these C words, it gives you a carbon key right here. The C words are automatically embedded into the carbon key along with your password and a thumbprint. Right, so the setup process is much easier because you don't have to write this down, write down the C words down. Everything is done for you on the carbon key, and to restore it, it's really simple. To restore the Keevo Model 1, first thing you do is reconnect it to the desktop app. Connect. Then we go to our desktop app here. We choose the Keevo we want to set up, and our choices are set up a new Keevo wallet, restore from carbon key, or restore from C phrase. We are going to restore from the carbon key. Now it's asking to connect the carbon key. Checking device integrity, asking me to enter the serial number of the key. Okay. Check integrity. Serial number confirmed. Continue. Give this wallet a nickname, Keevo2. Okay, we'll keep that name. Now it's restoring the data. Now it's asking me to enter the password that was in the carbon key when I first set up the wallet. So let's do that now. It was test 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's going to enter my thumbprint, fingerprint. There you go. And now it's restoring the data. So as you can see, no need to input any C words or anything like that. Just plug in the carbon key, restore the data. Okay, restore complete. And now it's asking me to reset up the carbon key by entering a new password. We use the same as the last time. Confirm. Thumbprint. Okay. And there you go. Wallet fully restored. So there you go. That is the restoration experience of 3 different hardware wallets. By far the most frustrating is the Legend Nano X. So consider that. 2 buttons, hard to navigate, very, very small screen. Second easiest with the Ellipal, nice big 4-inch screen, like using your iPhone. So if you know your iPhone, it's pretty simple installation, pretty simple restoration. And the easiest of them all would be the Keevo Model 1 with the carbon key. Just plug it in, restores, no need for C word, no nothing. Now, the other advantage with the Keevo carbon key is that this carbon key stores the C word as well as your password and your fingerprint. So if someone steals this, they can't restore it unless they have your fingerprint and your password. So that's extra security. Whereas if someone steals your C word list, they can restore it to any wallet and take your money. So something to think about with the Keevo backup solution. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.